Most men believe women fall in love because of money, status, or charm, the car you drive, the clothes you wear, or the words you say. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Women don't fall in love with what you have. They fall in love with who you are when no one's watching. Not the mask you wear to impress her, but the quiet depth of your presence, the steadiness of your soul. In this video on Stoicism Drive, we'll explore how women truly fall in love, not through tricks or games, but through the timeless lens of Stoic philosophy and masculine mastery. Because love isn't luck, it isn't manipulation, it's self-command. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." That's the essence of attraction. You don't persuade a woman to love you. You become a man she cannot help but respect, admire, and love. Let's break down how this works. 1. Emotional stability. Most men misunderstand emotion. They think showing it makes them weak. But the truth is, losing control is weakness. When you're reactive, needy, or desperate, she feels unsafe, like her heart could shatter at any moment. A stoic man isn't cold, he's calm. He can feel deeply yet remain grounded. His peace becomes her peace. That quiet strength is magnetic. 2. Purpose. Women fall in love with a man driven by purpose. When she becomes your purpose, she loses interest, because deep down, she doesn't want to be the reason you live, she wants to walk beside you on your path. Your mission gives your life direction. Your discipline and your drive tell her that even if she left, your world wouldn't collapse. Ironically, that's what makes her stay. 3. Reflection of her best self. It's not about dazzling her with charm or accomplishments. It's about how she feels when she's with you. A stoic man listens more than he speaks. He observes. He makes her feel seen, understood, and free to be soft. Around him, she becomes lighter, more confident, more herself. She doesn't fall for perfection. She falls for the peace of being fully accepted. 4. Boundaries. Too many men fear setting boundaries. They think saying no will push her away. But boundaries are power. They show that you respect yourself and your values. When she tests you, and she will, it's not to destroy you, but to feel where your edges are. Because when she knows your limits, she feels safe. A man who cannot say no cannot protect anything worth loving. 5. Consistency. Grand gestures are easy. What's rare and irresistible is consistency. Stoicism teaches the art of showing up the same way, even when life gets hard. When you do what you say you'll do. When your emotions don't swing with every storm. She relaxes. She begins to trust. You become her anchor in a chaotic world. So, how do women fall in love? Not with gifts, not with words, not with fake confidence, but with your calm, your mission, your steady attention, your firm boundaries, and your unwavering consistency. Women don't fall for men who chase. They fall for men who lead, men who master themselves, who live with purpose, who carry quiet strength in every breath. Stop trying to make her love you. Start becoming the kind of man who doesn't need to chase love, because love naturally follows where strength, peace, and purpose live. If this message spoke to you, don't just move on, act. Like this video, subscribe to Stoicism Drive, and share it with someone who's ready to rise above the noise and become truly unforgettable.